Hello everyone, this is Varma, online chess coach from India. Today we are going to learn some endgame technique in Rook Pawn endgame. You can pause video and think white to play. If your move is Rook B2, then very good. Rook cross C7. Rook B8 check. King F7. Now black's rook without any support. So we can play Rook B7. If Rook takes B7, then A cross B7 and next move Queen. Rook E7 check. King D6 good move. If Rook takes Rook, A cross B7, Black needs more two moves to make it a Queen, and B8 equal to Queen. So again see White has a passed pawn on D6. You can pause video and think. D7 good move. Next move Rook can go C8. Or Rook F8 H8, and next idea Queen on D8. Rook D5. Now what to do? White has to move Rook with check, so that Black cannot cut D7 pawn. So King B3. Threat is Rook check is coming, and also White can play Rook C8, Rook takes D7, then Rook C1 checkmate. King B1. King C3. Idea Rook B8 check, and next move Queen on D8. King C1. Now Rook A8. Idea Rook A1 checkmate, and if he defends mate, D8 equal to Queen, winning. B7. Next move Queen on B8. How will Black stop it? Rook A7. Pawn is pinned now. You cannot push pawn. Rook E1 check. King cannot go on D7 because then B8 equal to Queen. So King D8. Still pawn is pinned. Now winning move is, I hope you got it. If your move is Rook E7, then excellent. Idea if King takes Rook, then pawn is not pinned now. Then White can make it a Queen. King takes E7, then B8 equal to Queen, winning. You can pause video and think again. A3. Rook takes knight on F1. Check. King E2. rook f4, rook b3 check, king a2, rook b4. Now black rook is in trouble. If rook takes b4, a takes b4 and white can win easily. Here c7. If king takes c7, rook c2 and rook exchange and then pawn f7. So rook has to take. Now rook g2, rook g8 is coming, a5, rook g7. Idea to take black's rook and push pawn. Rook c8, then f7. Now rook g8 is coming. Rook b5, rook c5 is coming. Then he can push the pawn and make queen. f3. Now if white play rook c5, then rook takes c5 and f2, pawn f2. So rook b3, rook takes b3, c8 equal to queen, rook e3, rook without any support, queen g4 check, king h7, queen h5 check, king g7, queen g5 double attack, winning. This is the last position. g6 check, king f8, rook a8 check, king e7, h6, g takes h6 and g7. If you like it, press like button and write something in comment. Thank you for watching.